Hey there, I was sent over these trauma shear sheaths by the brand to try out. These are going to work for those trauma scissors. So if you're an EMT or a medic or something that wants some way to protect your trauma shears, then maybe this is the way to go. I've got a pair of trauma shears here and it will hold them folded like this or unfolded. So to hold them folded, you would close it up and of course there it is. And if they're unfolded, they will hold securely in the sheath this way. This sheath can be worn on your belt or your backpack. It has clips on the back here to clip into everything, as well as working with folded and unfolded trauma shears. It also has a screw on the back. You can just loosen that up and then you can either wear it upright, the other direction upside down so you can slide them down and out, or you can wear it horizontal, whichever is most comfortable for you. Finally, if it's dark outside and these have had some light, they actually glow in the dark so they're easy to see. So that's super convenient if you're working a night shift or something. I did have these in the light for a while to strengthen that glow in the dark effect, but even after they were in the dark for a while, they actually still had a glow for them where I knew that's what they were. If you are looking for a way to store those trauma shears, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.